इसमें प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन सुनाई देगा और राइट योर आंसर, जब आंसर आएगा तो उसमें बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर। उसके पहले आप क्या करेंगे, ऐसे एक पेज लेंगे और अपने 28 नंबर्स डाल लेंगे। ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन सुनाई देता है आपको और वहां बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर, तो आप अपना राइट आंसर यहां पे लिख लेंगे। ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, तो आप अपने सारे आंसर लिख लीजिए और लास्ट में आपको आंसर भी सुनाए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर, इस अपने आंसर मिला लीजिए। यदि आपके सही आंसर, सारे आंसर सही हैं, वेल डन, नहीं तो दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें।
Page number 8 slow speed, answers in the end. Please write 1 to 28 numbers, to write answers so that in the end, you can check your answers. Start. Question number 1 start. 72. 25. Minus 70. Answer is right. Your answer next. Question number 2, start. 60. 6. Minus 66. 82. 15. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 3, start. 73. 16. Minus 88. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 4, start. 11. 12. 15. 60. Minus 86. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 5, start. 95. Minus 15. 6. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 6, start. 80. 8. Minus 88. 70. 6. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 7, start. 89. Minus 67. 75. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 8, start. 67. 11. 11. Minus 85. 60. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 9, start. 80. Minus 30. 10. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 10, start. 60. 6. Minus 66. 9. 80. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 11, start. 95. Minus 70. 50. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 12, start. 30. Minus 20. 60. 9. Minus 70. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 13, start. 83. 11. Minus 80. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 14, start. 70. 5. Minus 70. 4. 70. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 15, start. 88. Minus 11. minus 11. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 16, start. 2, 6, 80, minus 70, minus 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 17, start. 74, 20, minus 10. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 18, start. 11, 66, minus 11, 20, 3. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 19, start. 88, minus 60, minus 6. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 20, start. 11, 22, 66, minus 77, 22. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 21, start. 77, minus 11, minus 15. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 22, start. 15, 52, 11, minus 70, 80. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 23, start. 74, minus 62, 86. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 24, start. 62, 15, 11, minus 65, 70. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 25, start. 90, minus 60, 4. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 26, start. 88, minus 10, minus 11, minus 7, minus 60. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 27, start. 90, minus 70, 8. Answer is, write your answer next. Question number 28, start. 77, 22, minus 86, 15, minus 11. Answer is, write your answer next. Please check your answers, start. Question number 1, start. Answer is 27 next. Question number 2, start. Answer is 97 next. Question number 3, start. Answer is 1 next. Question number 4, start. Answer is 12 next. Question number 5, start. Answer is 86 next. Question number 6, start. Answer is 76 next. Question number 7, start. Answer is 97 next. Question number 8, Start. Answer is 64 next. Question number 9. Start. Answer is 60 next. Question number 10. Start. Answer is 89 next. Question number 11. Start. Answer is 75 next. Question number 12. Start. Answer is 9 next. Question number 13. Start. Answer is 14 next. Question number 14. Start. Answer is 79 next. Question number 15. Start. Answer is 66 next. Question number 16. Start. Answer is 10 next. Question number 17. Start. Answer is 84 next. Question number 18. Start. Answer is 89 next. Question number 19. Start. Answer is 22 next. Question number 20. Start. Answer is 44 next. Question number 21. Start. Answer is 51 next. Question number 22. Start. Answer is 88 next. Question number 23. Start. Answer is 98 next. Question number 24. Start. Answer is 93 next. Question number 25. Start. Answer is 34. Question number 26. Start. Answer is 0. Question number 27. Start. Answer is 28. Question number 28. Start. Answer is 17. Thank you.